Hey guys, welcome back. Today I have an unboxing video for the February Boxycharm. Now I know I look a little crazy because we have half my makeup on my face right now, but I decided I'm gonna do an unboxing of this box as well as trying on the products as I go along and sharing with you guys what's in here. So if you guys are new to my channel, I do like to do a Boxycharm video every month for you guys. Now I normally incorporate the box into a tutorial. Now today I figured I will go ahead and do a unboxing slash little try on since I've never done that before and I don't know why I haven't. If you guys are unfamiliar with what Boxycharm is, I'll give you a little rundown before I go ahead and start. It is a subscription box where you're getting 4 to 5 full-size items. It's usually 5 full-size items in here for the price of 21 bucks. So right there, amazing to me. You're getting good name brands. Now they do vary each month, and on their Instagram they do post like little spoilers of what's gonna be in the box. I think that's really cool that you get an idea of like what's gonna come in your box, and sometimes there is a variation of boxes. One box will have one product that's different than what somebody else might get. But overall, I think it is an amazing subscription service, and the value in here is usually about like $100 something, like $130, so super worth it. I will have a link down below where you guys can go ahead and check out Boxy. I'll leave it in the description box below. So I did already open this box for myself, but I did not touch any of the products. I just wanted to kind of peek for myself and like threw away the like plastic wrap that was in here and things like that, but none of the products were touched, and do it here on camera as well. So this month's box is the Galaxy Glow. So each month we'll have a different theme, and it comes with this little card explaining what kind of theme it is, and then on the back it has all the products that are in this box with the price, value, and all of that good stuff in here. So the first thing in this box I'm going to go ahead and share are these crown brushes. There are 3 of them. It is a 3-piece set, and as I said before, I went ahead and did my foundation, my brows, a little bit of concealing, but I did not go ahead and set anything, so it's starting to crease a little bit just because I put it on like 20 minutes ago, but that's why I wanted to leave it bare, because I want to go ahead and set it down with one of these brushes, so that's perfect. So these brushes are the Crown Pro Trio brushes, and they are retailing for 30 bucks for 3 brushes. So you get a large powder brush, a medium size, and then a crease brush, I believe. So this is the one that I'm going to go ahead and set with just because it looks like it'd be perfect for underneath my eye. And I mean, this one you probably can as well, but I wouldn't really use it for powder. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this one, use the MAC Patrick powder to apply it underneath my eyes. I usually like using a beauty blender to go ahead and do so, but I figured I would try this out just because it looks perfectly domed to go underneath the eye. So let's go ahead and do that. And I'm gonna hit the eyelids as well. I'm gonna go ahead and apply a little bit to my forehead with the bigger one, and my chin, and around my nose. Those are the brushes, and I do think I own one already of these kind, maybe not, but I think that they're really good. Crown brushes have came in Boxycharms before, so I do like getting them in there, I must say. But we will probably return back with this one for the shadow, so I'm gonna put these on hold and move on to the next product that's in here. Next thing I see is this Cover FX Shimmer Veil, and on the card it's saying that this one retails for 28 bucks. Multi-use shimmering cream, and it is crease proof and suitable for all skin types, and it pretty much is just like a shimmering eyeshadow, but it's liquid. So, wow, it's super beautiful. This one is in the shade Amethyst, and it's like a purpley, like holographic color. Let me swatch it for you guys. Ooh, really, really pretty. It reminds me of like a unicorn. I don't know why. I probably should go ahead and put a transition shade first, just so we kind of have things flowing as opposed to just the shimmer. Go in with the shade Oscar. That is the Take Home the Bronze bronzer from The Balm, and it's just a bronzing shade. Just gonna gently put that into my crease and transition area just to get some dimension and like color on there as opposed to just being bare. So I'll be really quick doing it. Of course, this video is pretty much me trying on all the products for you guys, like I said, so it might not be a look that is for the everyday because I don't really know exactly what it's gonna turn out looking like, but I just wanted to throw that out there. So yeah, let me know if you guys like seeing it thrown into a tutorial or if you like it more like focused on an unboxing. I really, really love the Boxycharms. I think that they are so worth the money. All right, so it's a beautiful purpley shade. I'm gonna go ahead and apply it straight from this applicator. It's like a doe foot applicator, really cute. So I don't know why I smell everything. So I'm just gonna go ahead and straight apply this to my eye. That's super pigmented right off the bat. I don't want to put it too much into my crease, so bring it back down. And I'm just going to take this brush, this one's from Eco Tools, and I'm just going to kind of pat it down into those areas like so. That's really pretty. It's really like purpley and like shimmery, really pretty. So I'm going to do the other eye. And it's saying that it's smudge proof and it will not crease, so we're going to get, whoopsie. We're going to give it a few seconds to kind of dry down. And bring it into my inner corner a little bit as well. Kind of pat it down. You know what this would be perfect for? Like a festival look, or obviously spring and summer that's coming up. I would totally be using it for that. This is a beautiful pop of color. You definitely don't even have to use it just on the whole lid. You can just pop it into the inner corner and be like a beautiful inner corner highlight going on. So that is really pretty. Wow. That's really pretty. I just need to add a tiny bit more here to be even. So that is the shimmering veil. Super, super nice. Like I said, it retails for $28. The next product in here is this Bellapierre Sparkle. Looks like a little glitter. On the card, it says it's cosmic glitter. It's an ultra fine, loose cosmetic face and body glitter. So it's super versatile, it says, and it'll enhance your look. This one retails for $15, so it looks super pretty. It's like a white iridescent color. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop it open. I do have a few things from Bellapierre, and I actually really like their quality. 2 loose eyeshadows, and they're really nice. Super pigmented. Glitter can be super messy, so I'm only gonna put a tiny bit into the inner quarter area. Actually, no, I'm gonna lay a little bit on top of that shimmering veil, because the second you put it onto the brush, it turns into like a purple iridescent, which is so pretty. I'm gonna lean my head back a little. Pretty. I do recommend using any type of glitter before foundation or while you already have your powder underneath. It kind of like gives a barrier between the two, but that is super pretty. It's just a loose glitter. You can't have too many glitters, so super excited about that. Next thing in here, which I think I'm not gonna use right this second, but I will swatch it for you guys just because it totally doesn't go with the color scheme of this look at all. But it is this Makeup Geek Full Spectrum Eyeliner, and this retails for $9. And I love Makeup Geek eyeshadows, they're amazing. I will probably love this as well. The only thing is it's in the shade Mint, so it is an eyeliner that is like a minty, like teal color. So, beautiful packaging though. Very nice. So it looks like so. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it right here for you. Ooh, super, super creamy. You get a really nice pigment with that one, and it's pretty creamy. So it glides on super nice. Wow, that's gorgeous. And this is a really pretty color. I just don't think it's gonna go with this look at all. And then the next product in here, which is the last product in here, which I will go ahead and use first before I apply my lashes and probably return using it again. Naked Cosmetics highlighting palette. And this is super cute. Look at this packaging right now. It's a holographic palette. Like, look at that, yes. It comes with a sleeve. So I'm gonna take that off. I just love like when packaging is aesthetically pleasing like this. So cute. So this is what it looks like when you first open it up. Very nice. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up correctly, but you get 6 colors in here and they're all pretty colorful in my opinion. The only wearable shade I think would be this gold one right here. The rest are like purple, blue, a little bit of pink, a green. So you got more of color range in here, like being holographic. It retails for $40. It kind of reminds me of the Anastasia one. So yeah, let's see if the pigment is there. So that's one little swipe of that first one. This one is the purple. Wow, that is pretty pigmented, I must say. It's like a pinkish white. They all have like that white kind of like cast to it, and that is the green one. Yeah, these are gonna be beautiful eyeshadows. This is a blue one. Wow. A goldish color, which is a yellowy gold. I'm gonna go ahead and use that crown brush that came in here. This one is more of that crease shadow brush, and I'm gonna go in with this purpley highlight right over here, and I'm gonna put it right into the inner corner a little bit. Wow, that's really pretty. That's so pretty. I'm looking in my mirror over here, so that is why I'm looking in this direction. I do have to figure out a different way and like set up for my mirror because I feel like I'm always looking that way, and I would like to like look head on and do this setup a little bit better for you guys. On this eye, Yeah, these are beautiful as shadows. I'm gonna mix the two, this one, and I'm not applying any spray just yet, so they're applying pretty well. Wow, that's pretty. Now I'm gonna go in with that last shade, which is more of that pinkish holographic one. Right over here a little bit, over. So this is turning into be like more of a lilac, like purpley type of eyeshadow look, which I'm not mad at all. I'm gonna take that brush that we used for the powder, and I'm gonna go in with a bronzer now. Go ahead and bronze up the rest of my face. Just gonna take that Oscar color from the Balm, which is my favorite one right now. Around the forehead and the temples. I'm gonna go ahead and quickly apply some lashes and some mascara, and then I'll be right back, and then we're gonna go ahead and highlight up the face and throw on a lip color. All right guys, so I just went ahead and put on some lashes. These are the 614s from Salon Perfect. Wear them all the time. You guys already know the deal probably if you've been watching, but they're my favorites. I went ahead with some mascara, and now I just wanna go ahead and take the Cover FX Shimmering Veil again, in the shade Amethyst, of course, to go ahead and pop right into the inner corner. Just like that. Just gives an extra like eye-opening, like brightened effect. So apply it here too. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. I'm gonna drag it a little bit actually into the lower lash line. Whatever was left on my brush. Go in with the highlighting palette from the Naked Cosmetics. I'm gonna take it on this Y11 Morphe brush. Start off with this goldish yellow and not apply any type of spray just yet. I'll apply it just bare for right now. I'm gonna mix this yellowy and that purpley one together. Wow, that is pretty purple. Blinding. I like it a lot. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side, so mix those two colors. Wow, pretty. Whoops. And put that right here. Like so. Just by patting down. Beautiful. I'm gonna take the excess and put it a little bit by my brow bone. As for lips, I'm just gonna quickly go in with the Maybelline Gigi Hadid lip liner in the shade Tora. I'd rather keep the lips more nude just because of the eye look we got going on. I know I just said I wasn't gonna turn this into a tutorial, and I guess I am, but whatever. And I just took a little bit of the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit in the shade Nudie Patootie, my absolute favorites, but I definitely can't wear it alone. It's a little too light. A tiny bit into the center of my lips. So that is it on the unboxing of the February Boxycharm, the Galaxy Glow. I hope you guys enjoyed this style video, how I decided to take it on this month. I really love the way the eyes turned out. I really like the Cover FX Shimmer Veil. That was really nice. So again, I will have a link to Boxycharm in the description box down below if you guys want to go check them out for yourself. This look is totally screaming like spring or summer to me, so I feel like I will probably be rocking this that time of year. But yeah, I think that is all for this video. Go ahead and thumbs it up if you enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.